be the heart of volleyball. Two exciting matches await you today. Match number 15, the very first one, features our Chocomucho Flying Titans and their challengers, our Capital One Solar Tigers. Presenting our national officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Patrick Alan Castillo. Second referee, Mr. Bobby Celso. Call in our starting lineup from our Chocomucho Flying Titans. Captain, jersey number 2, Desiree Lea Jen. Number 3, Orientina Isabella Wong. Jersey number 10, Katrina May Valentino. Number 15, Jaira Marie Atienza. Number 17, Lorraine Kanya. And number 18, Sheria Number 16, Tony Rose Thompson. And head coach, Mr. Dante Alinsonorin Jr. Presenting our Capital One Solar Tigers. Let's begin with our game captain, jersey number 4, Micaela Belez.